Hello. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Welcome to the amazing lecture of Matholics. We'll be starting the midterms important questions. Midterms important questions would mean we'll cover approximately 50 to 60 questions in 2 to 3 days. As I'm planning, it will be a series of at least 3 to 4 lectures, right? So we'll be starting with very basic questions of real numbers from polynomials till quadratic equations, pair of linear equations in two variables, arithmetic progressions, triangles, similar triangles, obviously, and trigonometry, right? Coordinate geometry also involved. But statistics, surface area, and volumes, these chapters will not be involved as if I'm right, statistics and surface area and volumes and probability are not coming in midterms, right? So in another 1 minute, I'm going to start the session. Midterm, most important questions, good questions, good. Most important is what? What is important? Everything is important, okay? But some topics are like, they can appear as it is in your exams, okay? So we'll be discussing those questions. So next 1 minute, we'll be starting. Till then, you can share the link with all your friends. Am I clearly audible and visible? Am I clearly audible and visible? Hi, hello, good evening, good evening, good evening. Good evening, मेरे बच्चों. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good. Do not forget to like and share with all your friends. All your friends are also your friends. Sharing is always caring. Okay. So let's count 3, 2, and 1. Let's count 3, 2, and 1, and let's start this session. This is amazing session. And first question will be very, very basic from the chapter. First question is from the chapter. Oh my God. Okay. You'll soon get this PDF also. These are good questions. Okay. So let's start the session. First question is prove that. First question is prove that. Write down. Prove that 7 plus 2 under root 3 is irrational. Try to copy fast. If you wish that we can solve more questions in this lecture, try to copy as fast as you can. Prove that 7 plus 2 root 3 is irrational. How to prove? How to prove? How to prove irrationality? How to prove? Good evening, good evening, good evening. So let's start the session. Night. This is not night, it is evening, okay? Let's start the session. Night, it is evening, okay? Okay, let me start the session. So question is prove that 7 plus 2 root 3 is irrational. How to prove? How to prove it? Obviously, we have to write something for this question. We'll let 2 plus root 3 is a rational number. Let it is a rational number, okay? If it is a little rational number, let's say it is 2 plus root 3 equals to a upon b. Now tell me what are rational numbers? A upon b, p upon q. So that a and b does not have any common factor other than 1. It is the basic criteria that these must be co-primes. A and b are co-primes. You have to write this thing, right? You have to write this statement that these are co-primes. Okay. First of all, let it is a rational number. Exactly. Yes. If you have more doubts, tonight at 10 p.m., 10 or 10:30 p.m., I'll be coming live for Ask Your Doubt sessions. Okay. Ask your doubt. Any doubts? 10:30 p.m. tonight. Do not forget to join. Okay. Now, 2 plus, see, I am going to prove it irrational by contradiction method. What is contradiction method? Listen. Contradiction method is I'll prove that this is not rational. Okay, I'll prove by contradiction. Let's say I have to prove this is a tube light. Prove that this is a tube light. This is giving light. This is a tube light. Prove it. I'll say, okay, let it is not a tube light. Let it is not a tube light. It is a fan. But if it is a fan, it must give good amount of air so that I can feel good. Okay. But as I can see, it is not giving any air. And if it is not giving any air, our assumption was wrong. What was the assumption? That it is not a tube light, it is a fan. Hence, our assumption is wrong. It is a tube light. Sorted. Got the point? Got the scene which we are going to follow in this question? Okay. Now, this lecture will be totally in English language. Okay. Now, I let that 2 plus root 3 equals to a upon b. So, keep root 3 in one position. Root 3 equals to a upon b minus 2. Take the LCM b, here it is a minus 2b. It is under root 3. Now under root 3 equals to a minus 2b upon b. Now tell me, if a upon b is a rational number, it implies a minus 2b upon b is also a rational number. Tell me yes or no. Tell me yes or no. Obviously, it is a combination of numbers, so it will be a rational number. So if a minus 2b upon b is also a rational number, it implies what is a minus 2b upon b? It is root 3. It implies root 3 is also a rational number, right? But we know that root 3 is what? Tell me, what is root 3? Root 3 is an irrational number. Yes or no? Yes or no in the comments? Yes or no in the comments? Root 3 is an irrational number, but we know that. But we know that under root 3 is an what? Irrational number. Hence, our assumption was wrong. Assumption, what was the assumption? That this is irrational. Assumption is wrong. And 2 plus root 3 is what? 2 plus, sorry, 7 plus 2 root 3. Okay, it was 7 plus 2 root 3. Okay. Wait. We proved 2 plus root 3. 7 plus 2 root 3 will be doing in the next step. Okay. I wrote another question, 2 plus root 3. We'll do this in another step. Okay. So 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. Copy this one first. Copy this one first. This you will solve yourself. Copy this one first. Copy. Come on, fast. Copy. I'm waiting just for 2 minutes. If done, then tell me in the comments. Eleventh, very soon. Don't worry. Let me get some time. Let me have some time even to sleep also. We have to prove this question by contradiction method. This is called as contradiction. We contradicted what we assumed. Assumption proved wrong. Solved it? Yes or no? Done. Okay. Okay. Now we'll prove 7 plus 2 root 3. Now we'll prove that 7 plus 2 root 3. Actual question which I wrote that 7 plus 2 root 3 is irrational. How to prove? Tell me. We'll let it is rational. So let 7 plus 2 root 3 equals to a upon b. Okay. 2 root 3 at one side, it is a upon b minus 7. Okay. Yes or no? 7 gone there, and b is the LCM, so it is a minus 7b, and it is 2 under root 3. So keep root 3 at one side. Keep root 3 at one side. Try to keep root 3 separate. Try to keep root 3 separate. Okay, so we'll write root 3 equals to a minus 7b upon 2b. Rest everything, every theory is the same. You'll write because a upon b is rational, so a minus 7b upon 2b is also rational, but it is equal to root 3, so root 3 is also rational. But we know that root 3 is what? Root 3 is nonsense, it is irrational. So our assumption is wrong, and hence that's okay. That's it. Okay, got my point. Yes or no? Got my point? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Tell me. Fast. Sorted, sorted. Got the point. How to prove? Okay. So you can do this question yourself. Another question which arises same. See, we are going to solve these questions also, but along with this, the questions which I expect that arise in your exams are expected questions. Prove that. Another question of the same kind. Prove that under root 2 plus under root 3 is irrational number. Prove that. Under root 2 plus under root 3. The most difficult question of its kind. In this kind, this is the most difficult one. In this kind, this is the most difficult one. Okay. Can we solve this? Can we start? Okay. Let's say let what? Say, tell me. Tell under root 2 under root 2 plus under root 3 is a rational. Okay. Same thing, sir. Same thing repeating. So root 2 plus root 3 equals to a upon b. A and b are co-primes. Okay. Put one under root on one side or square both sides. Starting may you just do squaring both sides. You just do squaring both sides. Done. If you square both sides, tell me SBS. Squaring both sides. You know what is SBS? Squaring both sides. So under root 2 plus under root 3 whole square equals to a square by b square. Yes or no in the comments if it is right. Get this point? Get this point? Okay, okay, okay. Can we move forward? Yes. Now listen. Listen to this thing very much careful you have to be. See, we'll write a plus b whole square. This is a plus b whole square under root plus under root 3. Under root 2 plus under root 3. So if this is a plus b whole square, write what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Under root 2 square, okay. Plus under root 3 square, okay. Plus 2ab means 2 into under root 2 into under root 3 equals to a square by b square. Sorted? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. A big yes? Okay. Now see. If I'll see, this is the most epic question. Okay, the most epic one. If this comes, my students are going to really kick hard this time. Okay, listen. We'll write what? I'll write under root 2 square is 2. Under root 3 square is 3. Plus root 2 into root 3 will be what? Twice of under root 6. That's equals to a square by b square. Sorted? So if this is 2 plus 3, 5, that will go that side minus 5. So 2 under root 6 is equals to a square by b square minus 5. Right? Clear? If we take LCM over here, it will be what? Right? 2 under root 6, 5 gone there. So it is LCM b square. Upper side it will be a square minus 5b square. That's equals to 2 under root 6. What was the logic? Just to have a single under root on one side. Root 6. So I'll write under root 6 equals to a square minus 5b square upon 2b square. So I will say now the same thing because a upon b is rational. We'll say the same theory. Same theory and same language. A upon b is rational. So a square minus 5b square upon 2b square is also rational. But it is equal to root 6. So root 6 is also rational. But we know that under root 6 is an irrational number. Under root of a non-perfect square is always irrational. Unless it is root 4, root 9, right? Root 25, root 81. Root 6, root 7, root 8. These all are root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 6, root 8. These all are irrational. Root 4 is rational. Okay. So, I'll write what? I'll write. Hence, our assumption was wrong. Hence, the given number root 2 plus root 3 is irrational. That's it. Right? Got the point? Got the point? So, this was the question. Actually, we done 3 questions of the same kind. Okay. Moving forward towards next question. Next question of the first question is this. Next question of the evening coming in front of your screens. Next question. Let's solve some good question. Okay. Let's solve. Yes, irrational. Obviously, yes. Let's solve some another question. Find the least number. Copy the question. Find the least number. Find the least number which when divided by 35, 56 and 91 leaves the same remainder, 7 in each case. 7 in each case. Question. This is the question. Now we'll solve this. Copy this question fast, everyone. Find the least number which when divided by 35, 56 and 91 leaves remainder. Everyone comfortable in the question? If the question is right, let me check. Find the least number which when divided by 35, 56 and 91 leaves the same remainder 7 in each case. Tell me how to solve. Just try to memorize the concepts of HCF and LCM you must have read. Tell me. Simply you have to find the LCM first. You have to find the LCM first. Okay. Least number which when divided by these. Tell me if you have to find one number which is being divided by this number. So that number will be multiple or factor of this. Tell me. If you have to find the number, some number you have to find, or least number, which when divided by all of these. So that number must be multiple of all these numbers. Okay. Yes or no? And if it is the multiple, it is going to be the lowest common multiple, LCM. Find LCM. Prime factorize 35. Prime factorize 56. Right. And prime factorize the other given number. Prime factorize 91. We'll prime factorize. Say 5 sevens are 7 ones are. So 35 equals to 5 raised to power 1 into 7 raised to power 1. Okay. 56 is going to be 2 into 2. So 28s are 2, 14s are 2, 7s are and 7 ones are. So it is nothing but 2 cube into 7 raised to power 1. Yes or no? Anyone having problem in this prime factorization also can tell me. Say 91. 91 is divided by 13 sevens are 91. So first we'll write 7. 7 ones are 7 threes are 21. Then 13 ones are 13. So 91 equals to 7 raised to power 1 into 13 raised to power. Now find the LCM. LCM is what? You have to find LCM. All the factors. 5, 7, 2, 7, 3, 13 what? So 2 into 2 done, 5 done, 7 has to be there and 13 has to be there. All the factors with their largest power. With their largest power. And if you have to find largest power, what is the largest power of 2? 2 is 3, power 3, 2 cube. Largest power of 5, it is only 1. 7, it's 1, 13, it's 1. So it is nothing but 8 into 5 into 7 into 13. So 8 5s are 40. Multiply both of these and both of these. 13 7s are, it's 91. When you multiply this, it will get 4 ones are 4, 3640. So LCM equal to 3640. Yes or no? Now I have to find a number which leaves remainder 7, which when divided by this. So LCM is the number which leaves no remainder. LCM is the number which leaves no remainder. And if I have to find out a number which leaves a remainder, see, a number, find a number, okay, which when divided by 35, 56, 35, 56 or 91, it leaves a remainder 7. See, we have found the number LCM, that is a number which is the multiple and leaving 0 remainder. So if I add 7 in 3640, if I add 7 in 3640, my answer will be that only, yes or no? So the required number is equals to what? 3640 plus 7. That means 3647. I guess this is the correct answer, okay? Because if you'll divide 3647 by 35, let's check. If you divide 3647 by 35, what will get? 35 ones are 35, remainder 1, 14, it is 0, 7. 35 2s are 70, 35 3s are 35 4s are. 35 4s are 140, remainder is what? 7 is the remainder. Got this point or any doubt can tell me in the comments. Yes or no? So remainder has to be 7 what? We have to add 7 in the calculated LCM. If I say divide 5 by 3, remainder will be 2. If I say divide 7 by 3, the remainder will be 1. So 6 is divisible by 3. But if you have to leave the remainder 1, you have to actually make the 6 7. 1 add. Remainder has to be added. So remainder has to be added. Always remainder has to be added. Write down. Done. Sorted? Anyone in the comments? Fast. Done. Copy it. Copy, copy, copy. Copy, copy, copy. Done. Done. Okay, let's start. Let's start again. So this was again a good question. Okay, you must learn actually how to solve. These are word problems. Okay. Chalo, next question. Next question I'll start. Three pieces of timber. Three pieces of timber. Timber means wood. 336 meter, comma 240 meter and 96 meter long have to be divided have to be divided into planks. Planks means wooden planks are what? Rectangular pieces. Okay, planks of the same length, same length. Okay, question is, what is the greatest possible, what is the good question, huh? Is the greatest possible, what is the greatest possible length of each plank, how many planks are formed? Two questions are there. Sorted. How many planks are formed. Okay. Are formed. There are two questions. So this is the question. 336, 240 and 96 meters, right? So what I have to calculate actually? What I have to calculate actually? Tell me. See, question is three pieces of timber. One piece is this, 336 meters. Another piece is, say this is 240 meters. This is 240 meters. The third one is, say this is 96 meters. Okay. This is 96 meters. Okay. So what I have to do, I have to cut out planks of the same size, right? Let's say I have to cut out planks like this. Say like this. Planks like one, then two, then three, four, then five, right? So here I'll cut planks one, say two, okay, say three, four. I have to cut these pieces. Then five, then six, then seven, then eight, then nine. Same, I have to cut out planks like this. One, say two, okay. And this is, say, this is three, and four, and five, and six, and seven, and eight, and nine, and 10. Like this, we have to cut the planks. Question is done. Can you guess the what we have to find out actually? Read the question again. Three pieces of timber, 336 meter, 240 meter, and 96 meter long have to be divided into planks of the same length. What is the greatest possible length of each plank? How many planks are formed? Tell me. What is the greatest possible length of each plank? How many planks are formed? 336 meter, 240 meter, 96 meter. Tell me what to do. Anyone in the comments? You all must have read this chapter in your schools. Come on, anyone in the comments? See, three pieces are there. Okay, 336 meter. This. We have to, these have to be divided into planks of the same length. That means we have to cut, right? What is the greatest possible length of each plank possible? See, greatest possible length of each plank possible. Greatest possible. What will be the greatest possible? Tell me, what is greatest? What is greatest? Tell me. Anyone? Read question 3-4 times. Read question 3-4 times, then only you will be able to solve. I am reading it again. Three pieces of timber, 336 meter, 240 meter, and 96 meter. What happened? What happened? What happened? Any problem in the life or everything is going good? Three pieces of timber, 336 meter, 240 meter, and 96 meter long have to be divided into planks of the same length. What is the greatest possible length of each plank? How many planks are formed? Solve. Obviously, we have to find HCF because it's being said, it's being told that what is the greatest possible length of each plank. We have to find HCF first thing. So you have to first just prime factorize 336, 240 and 96. Prime factorize and tell me 336 will prime factorize like this. Okay. Okay, if I'm right, let's solve it. Let me solve it. Okay, wait. Let's take the diagram over there. Let's take the diagram over there. Okay, now 336. Prime factorize it. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16. Then 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 21s are 3 7s are and 7 1s are. So I can write 336 as what? Tell me. I can write 2 raised to the 1 2 3 4. This is power 4. 2 raised to the 4 into 3 raised to the 1 into 7 raised to the 1. Tell me. This thing is clear or no? This thing is clear or no? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Now tell me, can you see that why we have to prime factorize? Because we have to find the highest common factor. It said that find the greatest possible length. Out of these greatest possible thing, I have to find out. And out of these greatest possible means, we have to find its factor. So factor is not LCM, it is HCF, highest common factor. Focus on the definition, right? Next is 240. So I'll write 240 and we'll start prime factorizing it. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 0. 2 6 are 12, 0. 2 3s are 6, 0. 2 15s are, and 3 5s are, 5 ones are. Never skip the order. While prime factorizing, you have to use first 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 11, then 13, 17, like that. Okay. Do not use 4 or 6 or 8. Okay. So it's 2 raised to the power what? 2 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is nothing but 2 raised to the power 4 into 3 raised to the power 1 into 5 raised to the power 1. Yes or no? Sorted? Tell me. 16 into, no, 16 into 15. Okay, 168. Okay, done. And it is 16 into 48. 48 into 7, okay, 56, 28. It's nothing but 16 is a 48, 48, 7 is a 56, 28, 3 is. Okay, done. That means prime factorization is correct. Third one is 96. Third one is 96. I'll solve here only. 96. So it will be 2 4s are 2 8s are 2 2s are 4 2 4s are 8 2 12s are 2 6s are 2 3s are and 3 1s are 3. So it is 2 raised to the power 1 2 3 4 5. Right. So it's 2 raised to the power 5 into 3 raised to the power 1. So prime factorization clear? First thing in the comments. Prime factorization clear? Yes or no? Prime factorization clear? 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 Sorted? Can we move forward? Sorted, sir. We can move forward. Okay. Now tell me, what will be the HCF? How to find HCF? HCF is equals to common factors multiply and their smallest power. What was LCM? See, LCM was all the factors. LCM was all factors and their power, biggest power, the biggest power. Okay. This is the way to find LCM. But how to find HCF? Common factors, common factors, and power is what? Their small power, their small power. So what are actually small power? Tell me. Tell me what are the common factors first. Common factors. 2 is common, 3 is common. 2 into 3. 5 and 7 are not common. 5 and 7 are not common. Sorted? 5 and 7. This 7 and this 5, they are not common. Okay. So 2 raised to the power what? 4, 4. So I have to write 4 only. 3 raised to the power, what should I write? 1. There is only 1. So it is what? 16 into 3. 2 raised to the power 4 is 2 2s are 2, 4, 4 8 is 16. 16 is 48. 48. So the highest, the greatest possible length of each plank will be 48 meters. 48 meters. This is the first answer. Got this point or no? Yes or no? Got this point? I guess yes, right? Now, as the largest length I have got 48 meters, that means I have to cut 48 meter out of each timber piece, okay. That means what? Out of these 336 I can find how many pieces of 48 meters? So total number of planks equals to what? Total length of all planks, that means 336 plus what? 240 and plus what? 96, and whole thing divided by length of one plank means 48, right? Solve this and calculate this and tell me in the comments, right? The length of greatest plank, I told you how to find out 48 meters, but now you have to find out how many such planks are formed. So total length add divided by length of one plank. Okay, tell me in the comments, everyone, after solving this question. Let's go. Very good, very good, very good. Solve and tell me. First copy, then solve and tell me. Here was the question. This is the question. Okay. Copy and tell me in the comments. Find out this answer, everyone, is equals to what? Done. 14 correct answer, Akash. Very good, bache. Very good, very good. Total 14 planks will be formed. Just take out this and divide by this. I hope you are not using any calculator or for calculations, right? So I can trust you. Okay. So let's move forward. Answer will be 14. Answer will be 14 planks, right? 14 planks of 48-meter length can be cut out of all these logs, leaving no waste. Leaving no waste. Okay, sir. Okay, I got your point. Done. So calculation. You can find it separately also. That 336 by 48, then 240 by 48, then 96 by 48, and add them all. That can be done also. Okay. Can we move forward? Moving forward towards another question. So we have done three questions. Oh, three. No, three of the first kind. Okay. In fact, we have done five questions, five, six questions. Okay. Next question. If, let me have a good color. Okay. Mhm. Let's see this color. Okay. If 1, 0 of the polynomial 6x square plus 37x minus of bracket k minus 2 is reciprocal of the other. Is reciprocal of the other. These questions are very famous. Find the value of k. Then find value of k. Okay. You have to solve for k. How to solve? Anyone tell me in the comments? Can anyone tell me the answer in the comments? Come on. Come on. Can anyone tell me the answer in the comments? Solve everyone while I'll solve this question. Okay. See, polynomial is given 6x square plus 37x and minus of k minus 2. This is fx or px, anything. Fx, or you can write px also. Okay, this is the notation for writing a polynomial, right? So if it's given that there are how many zeros? Two zeros, obviously. This is a quadratic polynomial. So one zero is alpha, another one is beta. But beta is actually reciprocal, that means 1 upon alpha. Beta is actually 1 upon alpha. Got this point, every one of you? Beta is actually 1 upon alpha. 1 divided by alpha. Okay, yes or no? Sorted? Sorted. So I'll write what? What have to be written now? Tell me. I will write, see, you must know that sum of the zeros alpha plus beta is minus b upon a. Yes or no? Tell me. Okay. And alpha beta is equals to c upon a. Okay. What is the value of a, b and c in this question? If I compare it with ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. So what's a? A is equal to 6. What is b? B equals to 37. What is c? C equals to minus of k minus 2. So I'll write alpha plus beta is 1 by alpha. That's equals to minus b by a, means minus 37 by 6. Right. What I have written C? Important question. First equation I got alpha plus 1 upon alpha equals to minus 37 by 6. Sorted. Done. Everyone comfortable? Yes. Another equation I'll write alpha into 1 upon alpha equals to C upon A. Would mean, what is C? Minus of, this is minus of k minus 2. This minus is from proper this bracket. So this whole is the term C. So minus of bracket k minus 2 whole upon, what is A? A is 6. So alpha alpha cancel out. This is 1 equals to minus k and plus 2 upon 6. Yes or no? This minus will get multiplied by both of these. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. So next step I'll write here. What will be next step? 6 into 1. 6 is equals to minus k plus 2. So bring out the 2 here. So 6 minus 2 equal to minus k. So 4 equal to minus k, or minus comes here. So k equals to minus 4. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. Sorted. So this equation, there is no need to use, no use. Only k equals to minus 4. Copy it. K equals to minus 4. Copy it. Very good, very good, very good, Akash. Sorted, sorted, sorted. Very good. Done now? Done. Can I move forward? Everyone done? Can I move forward to another question? Next question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, another question of the same kind in which we have to use the values. Or copying. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, copy. Copy it, copy it, copy it, copy, 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 copy. Copy it ASAP. As soon as possible. Sir, I am your old student from Shimla. Okay, Shan. Hello, how are you? Good evening. Go on, solve it fast, fast, fast. We have to solve at least 4 or 5 questions more. So I scored 70 out of 80. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Done. Can you move forward? Okay, next question. Next question of the same kind, I guess. If 1 0 of the polynomial, question is if alpha, question is if alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, QP's quadratic polynomial, Px equals to x square minus 5x plus 4. Okay, then find the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus 2 alpha beta. Sorted. Very easy question, right? Solution. Can anyone tell me how to solve x square minus 5x plus 1 by 5? Okay, done. Okay, so now see, tell me, tell me. X square minus 5x plus 4, okay? X square minus 5x plus 4. How to solve? I'll give you two methods, okay? One is the universal method, second one is the jugaad, okay? You must know how to use jugads if you really want to be successful in the life, okay? Now see, method 1, which is the basic. Px equals to what? That is x square minus 5x plus 4. Okay, sir. Now, then find the value of 1 by alpha. The 8's zeros are alpha and beta. So can you write it as ax square plus bx plus c? Always write it as I am writing. So a equals to what? 1. What is b? A is 1. Okay. Tell me what is a, b and c? B will be minus 5. C will be 4. Sorted? Got the point? Always make a box like this before solving. Okay. With signs we have to counter. Okay. So alpha plus beta will be minus b upon a. Alpha beta will be c upon a. So minus b upon a would mean minus of minus 5 upon 1. So alpha plus beta comes out to be 5. Okay. And alpha beta, c upon a, that means what? Tell me. What is c? C is 4 upon 1. That means alpha beta equals to 4. Okay. So these two terms I found out. Done. Yes or no in the comments. Sorted. Till now comfortable? Till now I guess comfortable. Okay. Sorted. If alpha plus beta equals to 5 and alpha beta equals to 4, you must know this expression you have to solve. This expression you have to get the value. So write 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha beta is already there. You can find the value. Okay. Alpha beta put 4. But what about this? You take LCM alpha beta. The numerator will be beta plus alpha minus 2 alpha beta, same to same. Now beta plus alpha or alpha plus beta value is given 5. So we'll write 5 upon alpha beta is 4 minus 2 into 4. That means what it is? 5 by 4 minus 8. 5 by 4 minus 8. You take LCM 4. It will come 5 minus 8 4 is a 32. That means 5 minus 32 minus 27 by 4 is my answer. Copy it. Copy. That's it. Copy. Copy. That's it. Done. Is it correct what we have done? Or there is some problem? Oh, wait. Alpha beta, alpha plus beta was 5 by, okay, alpha beta 4. Okay, done. Correct. It is correct. We'll cross check. We'll cross check with another method also. We'll cross check with another method also. Okay. Okay. So let's say this is the given polynomial x square minus 5x plus 4. Okay. Method 2. Method. Method 2. Fx equals to what? X square minus 5x plus 4. Roots are alpha and beta. Zeros. So you can factorize it as x minus 4 into x minus 1. Do it yourself. Put it 0. So x will be 4 and x will be 1. Find the zeros. That means alpha is 4 and beta is 1. So we have to find the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus 2 alpha beta. Sorted? This was the question. Okay. So I just put the values. 1 by alpha would mean 1 by 4 plus 1 by 1 minus 2 into 4 into 1. So it's 1 by 4 plus 1 minus 2 fours are 8. So it will be 1 by 4 minus 7. So take out the LCM 4. It is 1 minus 28. That means minus 27 by 4. So whatever you do is correct, right? But more correct according to CBSE norms is this method. Because they just need to know, they just wish to know that whether you know the relation of alpha plus beta and alpha beta or not. Okay, sorted. Done, sir. Got my point? Okay, moving forward towards next question. So just find the values of zeros and put. That is also the way. But every time it won't work. This method will work universally and in every question of this kind. Okay. So next question, let's see. Next question. Find the zeros of the polynomial this and verify the relation between the very easy question. Very easy question. Question is find the zeros. Question is find the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 5x plus k. No, 6x square 6x square minus 3 minus 7x and verify the relation, and this is basic question, verify the relation between zeros and its coefficients. Verify the relation between the zeros and coefficients. Between the zeros and its coefficients. Okay, this is the question. How to solve this? How to solve this? Obviously, question is how to solve this question. We just have to see the expression first. Fx equals to 6x square minus, okay. You'll write now minus 7x and minus 3. Okay. Always you have to write like this. First x square term, then x term, then coefficient term. Okay. Tell me in the comments by writing what is the value of a, b and c. What is the value of a, b and c? Tell me in the comments fast. What's the value of a, b and c? Tell me fast. A equals to 6, B equals to minus 7 and C equals to minus 3. Yes or no? Everyone is sleeping. A equal to 6, B equal to, very good bache. Very good, Akash. A equal to 6, B equals to minus 7, and c equals to minus 3. Now, he's saying what the question says, find the zeros. So first we'll find the zeros. How to find the zeros? By factorizing it, prime factorizing it. We know that the product must be, okay, or you can use Dharacharya rule as it is, that d equals to b square minus 4ac. Calculate. That means b square minus 7 whole square minus 4 into 6 into minus 3. 7 square 49. Minus hai, no worries. Negative square also positive. But this minus into this minus positive. 6 4s are 24. 24 3s are 72. So I guess it will be 121 if I am right. D will be 121. Check, check, check. It is 121. 49, 51. Yes, 121. Sir, quadratic equation. No, not now, not now, not now. You can find the lecture. You can find quadratic equation, word problem, write Matholics, you'll get the lecture. Write down on YouTube in the search button, quadratic equations, Matholics, word problems. You'll get all the lectures. Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay, now. So D equals to 120. So X will be equals to what? Minus B plus minus root D by 2A. That means minus B is what? Minus B. Minus of minus, oh, no, no, no. Focus on this. Now, this is my final expression, okay? I have to focus on this only, not this. Don't focus on this, okay? Here's where the confusion arises, okay? So, minus of, what is B? 6, simply minus 6 plus minus root 121 by 2A would mean 2 into 6. So, minus 6 plus minus root 121 would mean 121 is square of which number? 11 whole upon 12. So x will be one time I'll write minus 6 plus 11 by 12. Another time I'll write x equals to minus 6 minus 11 by 12. So this comes out to be 5 by 12. Okay. And this comes out to be, tell me, minus 17 by 12. Okay. These are two zeros. These are two zeros. So this is nothing but alpha equals to 5 by 12. Okay. And beta equals to minus 17 by 12. Okay. These two are the required zeros. Now, this is the answer. But now you have to verify the relation between the zeros and its coefficients. How to do this? First, you will find alpha plus beta by adding these. Then you will find alpha plus beta by minus b upon a formula and check whether this confirms or not. Okay. So now we'll do verification. Now see, important part, how to do verification. Second part, verification. If this question comes, at least it will come in 3 marks. Okay. So we'll write first alpha plus beta equals to, that means 5 by 12 plus minus 7 by 12. Okay. That means 12 LCM 5 minus 7, that means minus 2 by 12. So alpha plus beta comes out to be minus 1 by 6. Okay. If you find alpha beta, multiply it both of these. That means 5 by 12 into minus 7 by 12. So it comes to minus 35 by 12 12s are 144. This is alpha beta. Now verification. How to verify? See. How to verify? I'll write the formula of alpha plus beta. Can you tell me what is the formula of alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a. That means minus b. What is b? B is, what is b? B is minus, no, b is minus 7. Yes, minus 7. So I'll write what? I'll write what? Minus of minus 7 by a is 6. B is minus 7 minus. Is there any problem in this question? Have you done some mistake? There is no mistake. Okay, okay. It was minus 17. Beta was minus 17. I must have done minus 17. Okay. Minus 17 by 12. So it would have been. Okay, here is the problem. It's also minus 17. 17 5 it will be 85. Minus of 85. Wait. Smaller problem is there. See. 5 by 12 minus 17 by 12. That means 12 and it will be 5 minus 17 minus 12. So alpha plus beta is nothing but minus 1. Okay. Sorry. Yes, yes. Bilkul correct, correct, correct. That's it, that's it. There was a mistake, bacha. There was a mistake. Sorry. Alpha plus beta. Alpha beta 5 into minus 17 minus 85 by 12. Now we check by minus b upon a. So minus b is minus of minus 7 by a is 6. Again, there is some problem. Huh? 5 minus 17 minus 12. What is the problem? 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Okay. So minus b. Oh my god. What I'm doing? What I'm doing? Here it will be. Oh, wait. We have to do it again only. There is some problem. I guess I'm sleepy now. This is the last question for today. Uh, remove it. Remove it. We'll solve it again. We'll solve it again. See what the question says. Minus b. So b is minus 7, minus of minus 7. Okay. Oh my god. Minus of minus 7. Right. So minus 7. Okay, we stop here again. Just see. Now you see, we put the value of b correctly, minus of minus 7 plus minus. Okay, done. So we'll write what? Now it's correct. So minus 7 plus 11 by 12. Okay. So one will be alpha, another one will be beta. Minus 7 minus 11 by 12. I guess now it's correct. Check, please check everyone. Minus b plus minus of minus 7. Minus of minus 7. It will be minus of minus 7. Okay, wait. Let me write everything again. Okay. So we'll start again. So minus of minus 7 would mean minus of minus 7 plus minus under root 121 by 2a would mean 2 into 6. So that will be x equals to 7 plus minus 11 by 12. Now it's correct. Check, please check. Everyone, please check now. It's correct now. It is correct now. Yes, it's correct. Don't worry. It is 100% correct now. Okay. 7 plus minus 1 or 11. 7 plus minus 11 by 12. Okay, bache? Sorted? 7 plus minus 11 by 12. That means alpha will be equals to 7 plus 11 by 12. Beta will be equals to 7 minus 11 by 12. So alpha is what? Nothing but 18 by 12. That means 6 twos are and 6 threes are. So alpha is 3 by 2. Okay, done. Now done. It's a beautiful number. And beta will be equals to 7 minus 11 would mean minus 4. Yes or no? This is 12. Minus 4 by 12 would mean beta equals to minus 1 by 3. Okay, 4 ones are 4 threes are done. Now it's correct. Okay, now we'll use values. Now we'll use values. Everyone understood? Yes or no in the comments till now? Yes or no, at least in the comments till now. If you understood, yes. If you didn't, you can say no. Okay, sorted. Sorted. Next, verification, how to do it. You find first value of alpha plus beta. I'll write alpha plus beta equals, that means 3 by 2 and plus minus 1 by 3. LCM 3 2s are 6. 2 3s are 3 3s are 9 minus 3 2s, that is 2. That means 7 by 6. Alpha plus beta. And if I find by formula alpha plus beta, it is minus b upon a. So it will be minus of minus 7 by 6. Okay. A and b is what? B is minus 7, A is 6. Okay, so I'll write what? It is 7 by 6. So alpha plus beta came out to be equal. Now it's correct, 100% correct. Don't worry. Okay. Alpha plus beta equals to 7 by 6. 7 by 6. These values are equal, yes or no? Are these values equal? Yes or no? Now we'll find alpha beta. Last step. Which step, bache? Which step? Which step? 1 by 3. It is minus 1 by 3. Okay. Now alpha beta. Find out first by actual calculation. 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 3. 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 3. 3 3 cancel. So alpha beta came out to be minus half. Okay. And if we go by formula, alpha beta equals to C by A. C means, what is C? It is minus 3. What is A? It is 6. So minus 3 by 6 is what? Alpha beta equals to minus half. So are these both values equal? Yes. That means, hence verified, you can write in the end. Okay, now copy it. Now copy it. I'm waiting for the next 2 minutes. Copy this ASAP. Okay. Let me minimize it. Okay. Sorted. This is the question. Here is the solution. Copy it ASAP. Which step? Last step, which step? Okay, copy it, then we'll talk. Method of discriminant, it is b square minus 4ac. That's it. You just put the value of d you have to put. That's it. This is the quadratic formula. You must know how to use it. This question can come in at least 3 to 4 marks. Polynomial complete can be merged in this question only. Good question. Done, everyone. Done, done, done. Done or no? Tell me. I have explained, cannot explain it again and again. You can rewind the video and check for the solution. Okay, done, done, done. Sorted. So, last question for today. Last question for today. See this question. Last question for today. If alpha beta are zeros of polynomial, question number 7th. Okay, this is question number 7th for today's evening. If alpha and beta are zeros of the given polynomial x square minus 5x plus k, okay, x square minus 5x plus k, find the value of k, find value of k such that, okay, such that a relation is given. Alpha, very easy question. Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta equals to 40. Okay, equals to 40. So, how to find the value? Tell me. If alpha beta are zeros of polynomial this, x square minus 5x plus k, find value of k such that alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta equals to 40. Tell me. Tell me. Anyone in the comments? See. I'll write what? The given polynomial fx or px, whatever you can say it is, x square minus 5x plus k. A equals to what? B equals to what? C equals. A equals to 1, B equals to what? Minus 5, and C equals to what? It is k. Sorted. A1, B minus 5, CK. Always write in decreasing order of the power. First x square term should be there, then x, then k. Constant. See in this question, what was tricky and something twisting in this concept? That they have written minus 3 first. Everyone would write B equal to minus 3. Tell me yes or no. 90% of the students will write B equal to minus 3, but B is actually minus 7. B is not minus 3. Got it? So that was the point, and this is Matholics. You can actually learn these type of hacks and tricks only at Matholics. I can say this very proudly. I know this. I know the system. Okay. Now. Tell me. So, all right, alpha plus beta equals to what? Minus b upon a. So alpha plus beta came out to be, tell me, minus of minus 5 upon 1, that means 5. Alpha plus beta is 5, and alpha beta equals to c upon a, that means k upon 1. So alpha beta is what? Nothing but k. Okay. Now focus on the relation which is given. Focus on the relation which is given. Alpha plus beta whole square. That means put the value. Alpha plus beta is what? 5. So 5 whole square minus 2 alpha beta would mean 2 into k equal to 40. Can we find out value? Tell me. From this, I've got this. I just put the value of alpha plus beta and 2 alpha beta. That's it. Okay. So 5 square minus 2k equals to 40. So 5 square is what? 25. Minus 2k equals to 40. So minus 2k is equals to 40 minus 25. Yes or no? Correct? Alpha plus beta is 5. 5 square is 25 minus 2k. So check for the answers also on the internet if you can. 40 minus 25 is 15. So the see minus sign will go there. Or k can you write directly 15 upon minus 2. Don't take it minus 2 there go plus 2. If it was minus 2 plus k, then minus 2 will be there on this side and it will be plus 2k. Well, plus 2, okay. But minus 2 is in multiplication. So k is equals to nothing but minus 15 by 2. Okay. So that's it for today. Copy it. That's it. Correct. DK. Correct answer. That's so good, bache. That's so good. So k equals to minus 15 by 2. And you, MSR, Gyani, whatever, I don't know who you are. But we have seen your channel. I just got the message from my team that you are using this channel to upload some other toppers channel videos. And you are coming here and wasting our time. You are just uploading videos of some bhaiyas and whatever you call them on YouTube, right? You're just uploading those videos and you're just asking me questions over here. So are you a real student or a paid PR? I don't know. Why you guys come and just disturb us? Okay. I don't know who you are. I don't know actually. I must talk to this in front of everyone. Okay. Sorted. So that's it. Copy this question. This lecture is going to be uploaded in 2 minutes. That's it for today. Bye-bye. Take care. See you. If you haven't copied, try it yourself. It's a very amount of tuchha sa question. Okay. That's it. Bye-bye. Take care. We'll see you tomorrow. Good night.